Hi, I'm Frank, the General Manager at EarthBox, and today I'm going to show you how to put your staking system extension kit onto your staking system. Now, if you have an earlier version of the staking system, you'll notice that it has the center crossbar. The newer versions, we've eliminated the center crossbar. The staking system extension kit includes 2 tubes, 4 straight connectors, and a trellis net. If you have a staking system with a crossbar, the first step to installing your staking system extension kit is to remove the crossbar. So we're going to do that by gently opening up this connection, and it helps to twist the tubing a little bit. Pull the net off, and in its place, add one of the straight connectors. You can re-thread your net over the connector and put the top bar back on. And now we'll do that on the other side. Open up the connection. Just twist a little bit, it helps to pull it apart. Pull your crossbar out. Replace it with a straight connector. Re-loop your net. And now your crossbar has been removed. So now you'll notice your staking system looks just like the newer versions. So from here on forward, the steps are the same to extend your staking system. So the first step is to cut the net from the top tube. And you want to make sure you cut inside the loop because you want to release the net completely from the tube. So now that we've cut the net away from the top tube, we want to just unloop the 2 corners from the T connector. And now we can remove the crossbar. We want to keep the T connectors in the bar because we're going to reuse this at the top of our extension. So now we want to take your straight connectors and place them inside the vertical tubes. We're going to take our top bar that we had previously removed, and we're going to add the additional straight tubes into the crossbar. And now all we have to do is put our new trellis net on. So you might want to get yourself something to step on to help you reach the top bar of the extension kit. So as we did before, we're going to find the top 2 corners of the net, drape them over the top T connectors, and just tie these off with a simple knot. And as we did before, I like to do the top corners first. Then work my way across the top bar. And I like to take the single string, wrap it around the bar, around the net, tie, and then one more time in a simple knot. And then work down the sides. And as you move down, you're eventually going to come to the staking system net, trellis net that was originally on your staking system. So I'm going to do one more here on this side. We'll work our way down the other side. So at this point, you have complete coverage of your staking system with the netting. So our final step is going to be to trim away the excess netting and to tie the bottom net to the top net. So I'm going to start here on the end of the top net, and we're going to trim the netting pretty close to where our final horizontal tie-off was. So we've removed the excess netting from the top net, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the bottom net here at the edge, but when we get into the middle, I'm going to leave a piece of string that I can then use to tie the bottom net to the top net. So now that my excess is gone, just as we did before, I'm going to tie a simple knot so that the bottom portion of the netting and the top portion of the netting are now connected and can help support all of your crops. So that's it. The extension kit is great for indeterminate tomatoes or any of your tall vining crops. It's available on our website at earthbox.com or at any of our authorized retailers. I'm Frank. This was how to install your EarthBox Staking System Extension Kit. Thanks and have a happy harvest.